There are thousands of so-called top-performing affiliate marketers on YouTube, saying that you could easily make hundreds of dollars a day from affiliate marketing, letting you think that affiliate marketing is your fast track to financial freedom. Well, hold on tight, because today we're diving into the sad truth about affiliate marketing. You have to watch till the end of this video because we are about to expose the hidden secrets of affiliate marketing that nobody wants you to know. I'm Barack from the Coin Compass, and it's time to dive in. Let's start with the basics. Affiliate marketing is all about recommending products and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Sounds easy, right? Well, not so fast. Think of it like planting a garden. The instructions seem simple enough, but if you plant the seeds incorrectly or neglect to water them, you end up with a bunch of wilted plants instead of a thriving garden. Affiliate marketing works the same way. The harsh reality is that most people dive into affiliate marketing thinking they'll be rich overnight. They slap some links on their social media, sit back, and wait for the cash to roll in. But then, crickets, nada, zilch. The truth is, affiliate marketing is a grind. It's a marathon, not a sprint. But wait, don't click away just yet. There's light at the end of this tunnel, and I'm here to guide you through it. And the best way to do so is by sharing some real-life examples of successful affiliate marketers who have found financial freedom through affiliate marketing. Let me tell you about Pat Flynn. Pat started his journey as an architect, but after being laid off, he turned to affiliate marketing. Did he strike gold immediately? Nope. Pat worked his tail off, creating valuable content, building trust with his audience, and learning the ropes. Today, Pat Flynn is a household name in the affiliate marketing world, raking in 6 figures a month. His success wasn't about luck. It was about hard work, consistency, and providing real value. And then there's Schroeder-Gardner. Michelle was a financial analyst who started her blog, Making Sense of Sense, as a side hustle. She didn't know much about affiliate marketing at first, but she was determined. She focused on creating helpful content and genuinely recommending products she used and loved. The funny part is that she didn't have the intention of making money from it. Fast forward a few years, and Michelle's making over $100,000 a month from affiliate marketing. She even offers a course to help others succeed. So, what's the secret sauce? How do you avoid the pitfalls and become a success story like Pat or Michelle? Here are a few golden nuggets for you. First, know your niche. Don't just promote any product for the sake of it. Choose products that align with your brand and that you genuinely believe in. Your audience can smell inauthenticity from a mile away. Lame. Second, content is king. Create valuable, engaging content that helps your audience. Whether it's blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media updates, your content should provide solutions to your audience's problems. Third, build trust. People buy from people they trust. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships and never recommend products you wouldn't use yourself. Trust is the foundation of any successful affiliate marketing strategy. Fourth, build your digital assets, like an email list, social media accounts, and a blog. These platforms will help you grow and sustain your affiliate marketing efforts, ensuring you have a dedicated audience to promote to and increasing your potential for long-term success. Finally, be patient and persistent. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful affiliate marketing business. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and don't give up when things get tough. So, there you have it. The sad truth about affiliate marketing. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with hard work, dedication, and the right strategy, you can turn it into a lucrative business. Ready to start your affiliate marketing journey? Smash that like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to the Coin Compass for more tips on navigating your financial journey. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming treasure maps to financial freedom. And while you're here, don't forget to watch our video that shows whether you can really profit from day trading so you can get more insights on different financial opportunities. Keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next video.